How to fix account under review on Tinder. If you are seeing the dreaded account under review message on Tinder, don't panic. In this video, I will walk you through why this happens and exactly how to fix it, so you can get back to swiping. Let's jump right in. Understand why your account is under review. Tinder reviews accounts when they suspect a rule violation or suspicious activity. This could be due to reports from other users violating Tinder's guidelines, using third-party apps or bots. If you think this is a mistake, don't worry, there are ways to fix it. The first step is to wait for Tinder's decision. Tinder typically reviews your account within 24 to 48 hours. If they find no violations, your account should be reinstated automatically. So the first thing to do is wait and check back later. If you think you were reported unfairly, be patient. Tinder usually unblocks legit accounts after a quick review. Next step is to contact Tinder support. If your account is still under review after 48 hours, it's time to contact Tinder support. Go to Tinder app and tap onto your profile icon, then tap onto settings and scroll down and find contact just right here and tap onto help and support. Now from here you can simply contact Tinder support and mention that you follow Tinder's rules and believe this was a mistake. The final step is to creating a new account. If Tinder permanently bans your account, you might have to create a new one, but be careful, Tinder tracks devices and emails, so if you are banned, use a new email and phone number. Avoid linking the same Facebook or Apple ID. Follow Tinder's rules to avoid another ban. And that's it. Hopefully this helped you fix Tinder's account under review issue. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.